Well, hi there, Leigh Farnell here, and I'm really excited to invite you to our morning seminar, Friday, 10th of July, More Leads, More Sales, powered by AI. It's at Locify headquarters in Subiaco. Get there at 7 o'clock and we're going to go through to 9:30, $20, and you get coffee and cakes, but more importantly, you get this incredible seminar. Let me talk about what we're going to do here. You can click here at any point, register now, reserve your seat. But the point is this: if you want AI working for your business, not against your time, this morning's for you. You've all heard about the AI buzz, and it's dangerous and it's great and it's changing the world. But the point is this: if you're not using AI and your competition is, then they're going to be racing ahead of you, particularly when we're talking about how to generate leads and how to generate more sales. So if you want more leads, but you're unsure about how to use AI to get them, if you're running a growing business and you want AI as a growth accelerator, if you want a proven diagnostic to benchmark your business growth, if you want to close more deals, but you're losing too many and you need a smarter sales system, if you're spending too much time on repetitive tasks that AI could be handling for you, and if you're ready to connect AI tools directly to revenue, then this really is a fantastic morning. It's proven, it's practical, it's going to be immediately actionable. We're going to talk about lead generation, sales conversion, scaling without burning out, a business growth diagnostic, and listen, can have some cakes. More to the point, get here to get involved with the scorecard. And as I say, it's not a networking breakfast. Here's the agenda. You can see what's going to happen as I and Elliott Rowton, he's going to put a better photo than that up there, I know. He's saying, Leigh, your head looks better than mine, but we've both got no hair. But the point is this: I've been around sales, leadership teams, sales teams for the last 40 years, and now AI, and some of the people in my network and in my team who are using AI for a whole range of fantastic areas. There's 10 at least areas we want to talk about. And then Elliott, how he's been using SEO lead generation and AI sales systems to get digital visibility on the network, local area business marketing. It's really fantastic what they're doing, not only in Australia, but right around the world. It's not a big pitch fest. There's piles of people that have worked with Elliott and I in the past. You can see those and access those. The more to the point, there's only going to be 10 people in the room, maybe 11, but register. Seats are limited. It's not a big event. It's not a big pitch fest. It's designed to share with you what's going on. So there it all is. You're going to get a confirmation email, you get the pre-event briefing, you'll get a reminder, and you'll get the diagnostic report on the day of the event that you can then do something with. So take action now. Click here, register now, pay the $20. It's nothing, and it's going to be at least 20 to 40 times return on investment. But listen, get there, lock it in. What's the date again? July, Friday, July 10th. Be there, lock it in, get your seat now. 12 seats available. That's it. In fact, I know already a few have been sold, so it's probably down to around 8 or 9 available. Register now. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching.
You've got the dream. You've got the drive. But a second set of eyes will help you thrive.